Hi lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something absolutely irresistible, delicious plantain porridge, and this recipe is so easy. If you're a fan of a wholesome and comforting meals packed with flavor, this recipe is a must for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, guys. Here is what you need. Firstly, we'll start by peeling our plantain. After you peeling it, you go ahead and dice the plantain into a medium-sized cubes. This mix of ripe and unripe plantain is what gives this porridge its unique balance of sweetness and heartiness. I kid you not. We'll go ahead and prepare our pepper mix. Our pepper mix consists of tomatoes and pepper. If you want to put attache or shombo, it's up to you. We'll go ahead to use this food processor to chop it, or if you have a manual chopper, you can go ahead just to give it that rough texture, not actually blending it. Next thing we'll go ahead to heat up some palm oil in our pot and saute our onions, guys. It's going to fry your onions a bit, to release that flavor and aroma. You go ahead to add in your chopped tomatoes and fry this is where the magic begins. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. When our tomatoes is well fried, we'll go ahead to add our salt and seasoning cube. Guys, you don't need much for this because this is already a ripe plantain, and ripe plantains are very sweet, so you just need little or no seasoning, just your salt and seasoning cube and crayfish. You are good to go. This is all you need to make this tasty meal, guys. When you prepare this for your loved ones, they will keep asking you for more. Then you go ahead to add in your water. After adding your water, you cover it for it to cook. The next thing to do is to add in your diced plantain. That's your ripe and unripe plantain. After you add in it, you stir it together so that everything will understand each other in the pot. I don't know if you're still there, but if you're still there and you have watched to this extent, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to like this my video and share it and subscribe so that it can be able to reach to others, please. And this is the first time coming to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe. After stirring everything together, you go ahead to add your protein, whichever protein you're using to make this meal. But the best to make this food is always smoked fish or bangla fish. So this is me adding my bangla fish and my smoked fish. I added it this way because I did not want it to break. Like this is going to soak up with the food, and release its flavor, taste, and all the nutrients in this my pot. Go ahead to cover your pot and let it simmer and soak up all the goodness in this meal. Like this, our food, we are almost ready. In fact, it's 90% done. Once the plantain is tender and soft, we'll go ahead to remove our fish so that it does not break and scatter inside our pot. Then the last thing to do is to add our veggies. I just added my scent leaf and my green to this, and everything is starting to look good. Now the finishing touches of our food, just to make the food more flavorful, color, everything they has, and to give it that vibrant color and aroma, I just added my green pepper and my spring onions, and at this point I stirred everything together and our meal is ready. Look at our plantain porridge. My lovers, that comes to the end of our today's cooking. If you enjoyed this recipe and you'll be trying it out, let me know in the comment section. And bye. Please don't forget to check out other cooking videos. See you in my next one.